Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First and foremost, let us say praise and gratitude to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has given His grace and guidance so that we can carry out today's lectures in good health and well-being. Introducing, we are from Group 1, which consists of Delia Nur Komalasari, Indri Hartati, and Sylvia Liatasha. Here, we will present the paired teaching that we have made, with the title Linear Equations. Previously, we sent a PowerPoint regarding the material that we will present and ask for permission to present the material via video. Definition of linear equations. Linear equations are one of the systems found in mathematics. The system included in algebra, which is a branch of mathematics that uses signs and letters that represent certain numbers. Types of linear equations. First is one variable linear equations. Second is two variable linear equations. And third is three variable linear equations. One variable linear equations. The general form of this type of the equation is ax plus b is 0, provided that a is 0 and b is constant. Solution: x is negative b quotient a. For example, 5x plus 10, then x is negative 10 quotient 5. So the value of the letter x is negative 2. One variable linear equation solution. Example, find the solution set of 2x plus 3 is 11. Substitution, take any number such that if it is substituted into the equation, the result is that the equation is true. 2x plus 3 is 11. If x is 4, then 2 times 4 plus 3 is 11 and is true. Looking for equivalent equations, both sides add negative 3. The two sides are multiplied, so the solution set is 4. Two variable linear equations. The general form of this type of equation is ax plus by is c, provided that a, b, c are constants. The solution can use the elimination method, which is the method of eliminating the value of a variable, and the substitution method, which is replacing the value of a variable in one equation from another equation. Problems example. The price of 2 mangoes and 3 oranges is 6,000. Then, if you buy 5 mangoes and 4 oranges, it is 11,500. How much does one mango and one orange cost? Solution. In solving story problems as above, it is necessary to use a mathematical model. For example, the price of one mango is x and the price of one orange is y. Then the mathematical model of the problem is 1. 2x plus 3y is 6,000. 2. 5x plus 4y is 11,500. Determine the value of x and y is the two equations can be solved by the elimination method by eliminating the variable x, then multiplying by 5 for equation 1 and 2 for equation 2, then produces is 10x plus 15y is 30,000 minus 10x plus hy is 23,000. And the result, 7y is 7,000 and y is 1,000. then the value of one orange is 1000. To find out the value of x, can use the following method is 2x plus 3y is 6000, 2x plus 3 times 1000 is 6000, 2x is 6000 minus 3000, and x is 1500. Three variable linear equations. The general form of this equation is ax plus by plus cz is d, where a, b, c, d are constants. Solving linear equations of three variables can use the method of solving equations of two variables, namely the elimination method as described previously. Linear equations of three variables can also be solved by substitution, integration, and determination methods. How to solve linear equation in two variables? 1. Substitution method. 2. Elimination method. 3. Mixed method combination of substitution method and elimination method. 4. Graphic method. 1. Substitution method. The substitution method is done by replacing a variable with a variable from another equation. Example, 2x minus y equals 6. The first equation. X plus y equals 3. The second equation. The first step, change one of the equation in the form x equals or y equals from the first equation. We can get 2x minus 6 equals y equals 2x minus 6. Second step, substitute the above equation into the second equation so that the value of x is obtained. X plus open brackets 2x minus 6 closing brackets equals 3. 3x minus 6 equals 3. 3x equals 3 plus 6. 3x equals 9. X equals 3. Third step. The value of x equals 3 is entered into the first equation or into the second equation. So first, x equals 3 is substituted into the second equation so that the value of y is obtained. X plus y equals 3, 3 plus y equals 3, y equals 3 minus 3, y equals 0. If x equals 3 is inserted into the first equation, then the value of y, 2x minus y equals 6, 2 multiply 3 minus y equals 6, 6 minus y equals 6, y equals 6 minus 6, y equals 0. Thus, there is no problem whether it is entered into the first equation or second equation. Then the value of y obtained remains the same. So the solution is x equals 3 and y equals 0. Write solution set 3, 0. 2. Elimination method. Elimination method is done by eliminating one of the variables. Example, 2x minus y equals 6. The first equation, x plus y equals 3. The second equation. The first step, we can omit one of the variable, both x and y variables, to eliminate the variable consider the two equations. How many times so that if they are added or subtracted, there is a missing variable. In this step, we want to eliminate the variable x first. We know that there is a value of 2x in first equation and a value of x in the second equation. To get rid of it, we multiply 1 in first equation and 2 times in the second equation, then subtract the product 2x minus y equals 6, multiply 1, produce 2x minus y equals 6. X plus 1 equals 3, multiply 2, produce 2x plus 2y equals 6. 2x minus y equals 6, reduce 2x plus 2y equals 6, produce negative 3y equals 0, y equals 0. Second step, we will omit the variable y. If we see that first equation has a to y value and second equation has a to y value, then the two equations can be added directly to eliminate the y variable. 2x minus y equals 6, edit x plus y equals 3, produce 3x equals 9, x equals 3. So the solution is x equals 3 and y equals 0. Write solution set 3, 0. 3. Mixed method. Combination of substitution method and elimination method. This method is done by combining the elimination method and the substitution method. Example, 2x minus y equals 6. The first equation. X plus y equals 3. The second equation. The first step, we do the elimination method by eliminating the variable x. 2x minus y equals 6. Multiply 1. Produce 2x minus y equals 6. X plus y equals 3, multiply 2, produce 2x plus 2y equals 6. 2x minus y equals 6, reduce 2x plus y equals 6, produce negative 3y equals 0, y equals 0. Second step. In this step, the substitution method is carried out, namely by entering the value into an equation. Plug the obtained y value into the first equation or into the second equation. For example, if we plug into the first equation, then 2x minus y equals 6, 2x minus 0 equals 6, 2x equals 6, x equals 3. So, the solution is x equals 3 and y equals 0. Write solution set 3, 0.
For graphic method. In the graph method, we must draw the graph of the two equations. The point of intersection between the two graphs is taken as the solution. For example, we have two equations. X plus y equals 4, the first equation. X plus 2y equals 6, second equation. The first step, we will draw a graph for the first equation. X plus y equals 4. To illustrate the graph, of course, you must find the intersection point at x and at y, so that if x equals 0, so x plus y equals 4. 0 plus y equals 4, y equals 4. The point of intersection at y opening parenthesis 0, 4 closing parenthesis. If y equals 0, so x plus y equals 4, x plus 0 equals 4, x equals 4. The point of intersection at x opening parenthesis 4, 0 closing parenthesis. So, the intersection point of the equation x plus y equals 4 is opening parenthesis 0, 4 closing parenthesis and opening parenthesis 4, 0 closing parenthesis. Second step, we will draw a graph for equation 2x plus 2y equals 6. If x equals 0, so x plus 2y equals 6, x plus 0 equals 6, 2y equals 6, y equals 3. The point of intersection at y opening parenthesis 0, 3 closing parenthesis. If y equals 0, so x plus 2y equals 6, x plus 0 equals 6, x equals 6. The point of intersection at x opening parenthesis 6, 0 closing parenthesis. So, the intersection point of the equation x plus 2y equals 6 is opening parenthesis 0, 3 closing parenthesis and opening parenthesis 6, 0 closing parenthesis. Third step, from the point of intersection of equation 1 and equation 2, we draw the graph as shown below. From the picture above, the coordinates of the point where the two lines intersect are opening parenthesis 2, 2 closing parenthesis. Thus, the solution set is 2, 2. Next, how to solve linear equations of three variables. There are several ways to find the solution set of the linear equation of three variables, namely 1. Elimination method, 2. Substitution method, 3. Elimination substitution method, 4. Method of matrix determinant. It should be noted that solving linear equations with three variables more often use the combined method of elimination and substitution, the same as solving linear equations with two variables. Example, x minus y plus z equals 4. The first equation, x minus 2y minus 2z equals 9. Second equation, 2x plus y plus 3z equals 1. Third equation, the first step, we do the elimination of the first equation and second equation. X minus y plus z equals 4. Reduced, x minus 2y minus 2z equals 9. Result, y plus 3z equals negative 5. Y plus 3z equals negative 5 become the fourth linear equation. Second step, we do the elimination of the first equation and third equation. X minus y plus z multiplied by 2 becomes 2x minus 2y plus 2z equals 8. 2x plus y plus 3z equals 1 multiplied by 1 becomes 2x plus y plus 3z equals 1. Reduced. Result, negative 3y minus z equals 7. Negative 3y minus z equals 7 becomes the fifth linear equation. Third step, we do the elimination of fourth equation and fifth equation. Y plus 3z equals negative 5 multiplied by 3 becomes 3y plus 9z equals negative 15. Negative 3y minus z equals 7 multiplied by 1 becomes negative 3y minus z equals 7. Reduced. Result, 8z equals negative 8. Z equals negative 1. Fourth step, substitution the value of z into fourth equation. Y plus 3z equals negative 5. Y plus 3 times negative 1 equals negative 5. Y plus negative 3 equals negative 5. Y equals negative 5 plus 3. Y equals negative 2. Substitution the value of y into the first equation. X minus y plus z equals 4. X minus times negative 2 plus negative 1 equals 4. X plus 2 minus 1 equals 4. X equals 3. So, the solution is x equals 3, y equals negative 2, and z equals negative 1. Write the solution set is 3, negative 2, negative 1. Next, there are 5 practice questions for friends to work on. If anyone doesn't understand about linear equations, please ask.